Yeah. Hey, Boozhoo! Welcome back to Boozhoo, Not a Boozhoo, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am not a Boozhoo. This is Natasha. Boozhoo, Kakina! How you doing? Welcome back to the show. And today, our Ojibwe phrase of the day. Do you remember? GIMIKWENDEN INA. That's right. GIMIKWENDEN INA. Do you remember? Do you remember? All right, let's try that. Okay.
GIMIKWENDEN INA. Do you remember? GIMIKWENDEN INA. Do you remember? In Ojibwe I say, for do you remember? GIMIKWENDEN INA means do you remember? Do you remember? Yeah, like that. Oh, that was really good. Yeah. Well, all right then. GIMIKWENDEN INA. Do you remember? In Ojibwe. All right. Well, I don't know. Should we cut it short? Yeah, that's probably good enough. All right. Hey, I'll see you later. Gigawabamin. Nagash. I will see you again. Gigawabamin. Minawa. Oh. All right. You want to get out of here? Yeah, let's go.